Tonight, the holiday of Purim begins, and we just heard the story of Esther. Now, we heard it in Hebrew, but what happens if somebody doesn't speak Hebrew? Is there somebody who would read it in English, or what do you do? Like, what if you don't understand the words? So I wanted to show you, first of all, we hear it in Hebrew. Does anybody ever read it in English? I don't think so, but this is my Megillah right here. It's Hebrew and in English, and you can follow along in English instead of the Hebrew if you don't know the Hebrew. But I wanted to show you Justin's Megillah, which is really intense. It's this huge silver container case. It's beautiful. And look at his. Could you follow along with it? But is this a kosher one that somebody could read from if they're the person reading it?
If you were the Balkore or the leader,
and I could touch it.
Definitely read from this one.
You keep going.
I'm not opening the whole thing. I gotta re-roll it then. It all looks the same, I promise you.
And I actually recorded a little bit of the Megillah because this is one of those holidays where we can use technology. So I recorded a little bit of the reading so you guys can see that too.
ויהב המלך אסתר, היה אשר דיברתו אל המלך, עומד בבית חמאן.